Israel should be voicing its view that it has a right to defensible borders. Defensible borders being originally coming out of UN Security Council Resolution 242 with its references to secure and recognized borders, but later being shortened to defensible borders by subsequent Israeli and American leaders. First by Rabin in the 1970s, later by Ronald Reagan in the Reagan Plan. When I was negotiating with Dennis Ross in 1996/97, the Christopher letter, which was dated January 17th, 1997, which would give Israel certain guarantees and assurances after doing the Hebron Agreement. We had a whole discussion about defensible borders. And we made it clear, which appears in the letter, that Israel would have to decide, and America wouldn't be able to second-guess its security over what it would need to defend itself by itself. The difference between a secure boundary and a defensible border is that a defensible border is not a NATO guarantee. It's a border which Tzahal can use to defend Israel. The second important element doesn't just relate to defensible borders, it relates to Jerusalem. And putting back the idea that Jerusalem has to remain united under the sovereignty of Israel. Now both these positions, by the way, defensible borders for Israel, keeping Jerusalem united under the sovereignty of Israel, are ideas that command the majority of Israelis. These are not like, great idea out in left or right field that doesn't have any response. Now maybe in a lot of the establishment op-ed department, you will not see those ideas very prominent in a newspaper like Haaretz. But if we ask the people of Israel, if we take any good Israeli pollster, they'll find there's a massive support for it. Guess what? If we poll either American Jewry or American public opinion in general, and ask the question about defensible borders for Israel or United Jerusalem, we'll also get overwhelming support. So where's the problem? The problem is that we have to put this, I hate the word, but I don't have another choice, narrative into the discussions of those who comment on foreign affairs.